Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawkish. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watch watching them handle profits while I'm still in my sand making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? And make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? And make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? And make profits. That TTG money gang. And making profits. We some snipers.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? Good evening. Hope you all are doing well. It's another day here in 2023. It's another green one inside a True Trading Group. So far, we've been green every day here this year. Not trying to jinx it. Keeping that streak going. Keeping that streak alive. We got a lot to talk about here today in this live stream, folks. CPI data coming out Thursday, and it has just been adjusted. The expectations for CPI have just changed. Is this a good thing? Is this a bad thing? We'll answer all those questions for you, as well as answering all of your questions here tonight on this live stream. That's what we're here for. It's going to be an open floor Q&A session. You guys ask the questions. We'll give you the answers, regardless of the topic, whatever you want to know. Pick my brain. You got a trader with 17 years of experience sitting here telling you literally, ask me anything. And I'll give you guys my game plan for the rest of the week. And, of course, that's CPI data. And I'm also going to go over a little lesson today on how you can make an adjustment in your trading to help you make more money during a choppy day. Can't just make money when you have these big monster moves in the market. You got to be able to consistently pull money out regardless of what the market's doing. So I'm going to give you a quick little lesson today also about how you can accomplish exactly that. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, guys. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the co-founder and head trader at TTG. If you don't know, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that is available to the retail trader today. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, folks, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free. Myself, other professional traders from True Trading Group, as well as special guests will come on these live streams. We share with you our analysis, give you education, lessons, trade ideas, market commentary that can help you guys become better traders and investors. So take a minute, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications. You guys don't ever want to miss out on any of the lives that we do here on this stream. Why should you care about anything that I talk about? I didn't figure this stuff out on my own, guys. I began my career working at a fund in New York City, my very first job out of college, and I went through a 3-month educational training program before they let me touch $1 of their money. That is where I learned to become the trader that I am here now today. Then 2008 happened. That was the Great Recession. That was the stock market crash. It was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward today, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading moderators and an over 20-person staff, we've helped thousands of traders and investors to learn, trade, and profit in the markets. You see, we are the fastest growing platform out there because we combine university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We hold live workshops and provide mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, futures, for all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, and also we do cover long-term investing as well. You see, we take that university curriculum, same stuff that I learned that I worked at the fund in New York, and we combine that with some of the top financial tools that are available today. Tools that successful traders use that give them more information to help them make better decisions. You should be using them too. It's not enough to just open up a Robinhood account or a Webull account and go on Reddit and Twitter. That is not, I assure you, with professional traders that do this for a living day in and day out. That is not how they get their trade ideas. That is not how they make their decisions. But the problem is these tools are expensive. If you were to go purchase these tools on your own, you're spending at least $5,000 a year. It's a lot of money. We know this. That's why True Trading Group as a company has spent years building relationships with some of the top companies in the industry so we can put their tools on our platform at no additional cost to you. It's going to save you guys that $5,000. It's included with your membership. It's like Benzinga's newsfeed, TradingView's charts, the Trade Idea Scanner, Quote Media, ET&A, the CBOE, all of it. We build relationships with these companies so you don't have to pay for their products. You'll also get access to the TTG community. Over 10,500 traders that genuinely give a damn whether or not you succeed or fail. They're the most helpful, successful, educated, and supportive community of traders that you're ever going to find. And of course, when you become a member, you'll get all of the real-time trade alerts from myself and the other professional trading mods at TTG that collectively as a group have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going on the last 3 years. So welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, folks. Like I said, we got a lot to go over, a lot to unpack, a lot to talk about here this evening. I hope you guys are excited to get all of your questions answered. What I will tell you guys here real quick, we are making some huge updates to the annual membership for True Trading Group tonight. Okay, we are actually making some updates to our annual membership tonight. So unfortunately, tonight we will not be able to offer you guys anything to sign up for the annual membership. So if there's anybody that's on here that wanted to sign up for annual membership, we're not going to be able to do that tonight. We are making some changes to that membership. But I invite you all instead to go to TTGTHREE.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. Join our 7-day trial. It's only $3. Do so right now. It's a one-time payment. There's no automatic upgrade or renewal. Okay, because we can't sell you a membership tonight. Everyone that signs up for this trial membership tonight, if you are in chat tomorrow by 10 a.m. Eastern, you will be given a chance to win a free annual membership, and everyone else will give you guys, will offer you an amazing, one-time take it or leave it deal for the full TTG membership. Okay, just because we're not able to give you guys the membership tonight, so that is something that we are willing to offer. You go to TTGTHREE.com, you sign up for the trial, you'll enter your name and email, you'll be prompted to fill out an application. Fill out the application. If your application is accepted for our trial, you will then be prompted to pay the $3. It's a one-time payment just to make sure that you are a real person. So go to TTGTHREE.com, join the trial. It's 7 trading days. The weekends don't count. 7 trading days. And if you're in chat tomorrow by 10 a.m., you will have a chance at winning a free annual membership to True Trading Group. And those of you that aren't lucky enough to get a free membership, we will also offer you an amazing one-time take it or leave it deal if you did want to join, since we were not able to offer you the membership here this evening. Okay? Get it? Got it? Good. TTGTHREE.com. Go join the trial right now, guys. CPI data Thursday. If there's ever been a time for you to get your butts inside chat, this is going to be a major market moving event. Okay? This is a major market moving event. I've been telling you guys every single time that the CPI number has come out over the last several months, it's moved the markets in a huge way. The markets right now feel coiled up like a spring. The markets have been trading inside of this consolidation range for the last 3 weeks, and it is coiled up and ready to go. I'm telling you, this is going to be a big event in the markets. If you've ever wanted to become part of the family, do so right now with the trial. It's a one-time payment. There's no automatic renewal. There's no automatic upgrade. No recurring payment. None of that. We don't play those games. All right, so go join the trial. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. All right, great. Guys, we're going to go ahead. We're going to roll on through. We're going to start things off with that Q&A session. To help me do that, I'm going to bring on my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. Everybody give a big warm hey, yo, welcome to Adam.
Hey, yo.
What's up, man?
What's up, buddy? Do you think people know that the trial that it just expires in 7 days, but they don't get rebilled?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do. I said it like 4 times.
All right, just checking. All right, so I actually got some questions here for you. Well, first of all, everyone else, start asking your questions in chat. If they're whatever you guys type in, whatever questions you have, I'll put it up on the screen for you. But let's start off with, let's see. I figure we could do things specific to this week, and then we can do some stuff that is a little bit more general, you know? Sure. All right, let's do. So I guess what we'll start off with first, I'm going to give you some tickers. I'd like you to break down those tickers. Tell me what you see. Sure. All right.
Yep.
All right, let's start off with the SPY. Tell me about the SPY today.
SPY today was a choppy day. We had discussed it. The market traded higher after hours, but during the trading session was a pretty choppy day. This is the action that the SPY had today. We just kind of basically traded inside of this range, and we came to the day today pre-market, and I always give everybody my analysis, and the other moderators give everyone their analysis before the market's open, just so everybody always knows what are we thinking going into the day. You already kind of know what the plan is. You know what stocks we're focusing on. You know if we think it's going to be an up day, a down day, a choppy day. You already know what we're thinking, long, short, like the sectors we're paying attention to. So you'll already will know where to focus your time and attention. I said to people in the pre-market session, and members, you guys can just say true or false to this one in the pre-market. I said, guys, listen, watch for the pushback up towards that 390. Look for 390 to be resistance, and then look for the markets to then pull back, into those mid 380s, and then I think you have a choppy day. That was verbatim what we said to people pre-market. And it's exactly what you got, right? Like you pushed right back up to yesterday's level right around that 390. You guys can see right there, that little previous level of support. You pushed right up to it, tapped it. As soon as you tapped that level, what did we do? We went ahead and we actually got short AMD. Well, I got short AMD. And then you see the market then gave you this nice little breakdown move where you ended up breaking through the lows, and it took you right down into your next level of support, all right? Your next level of support, which is literally right here. Where does that support level come from? It comes from these previous double top highs from the 6th. That's on Friday. Then you dropped right down into it, and the market just kind of got choppy. And the reason why I think you're going to have this big breakout day today where the market's just going to either completely melt down or it's going to rip to the upside is because there's a lot of excitement and there's a lot of positive chatter around the CPI number on Thursday. So I didn't think that you were going to get like the market's just going to roll itself over, but I also didn't think you're going to get like this huge break to the upside either. I was like thinking that this is going to be a bit of a choppier session. And I still think that you're probably in for a little bit more of that for tomorrow. But so far the market's doing, if you guys caught my live stream on Sunday, I drew for you a couple of candles on what I thought the market was going to do this week. And so far it's coming to fruition right now pretty accurately. And I would expect maybe another day like this kind of tomorrow. And then it comes down to the CPI number on Thursday.
I know this is part of the lesson. We might as well get into it, but how do you trade a choppy day like today?
Good question. So that is actually the lesson that I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about, because so you have to be able to make money when the markets are quiet and when the markets have their huge moves. You can't only make money when the market gives you a huge move and then lose money all the other times. As a trader, having your finger on the pulse, and this is why we're here. This is what we literally every day. I'm like, guys, I think it's going to be a choppy day, or guys, watch for this level. The markets can roll over. Guys, watch here. I think we're going to have a breakout day. Like, I think we have, 4 or 5 points of upside. Like, we'll always tell you what that thought is. And having your finger on the market's pulse can really set you up for what gear do you want to be in. Are you looking for these huge moves, or are you looking to just take what the market gives you? And there's different ways that you can adjust your trading to help you make more money on the choppier days. I teach a tier trading system. Tier trading strategy is a strategy I learned working at the fund. I've tweaked it a little bit for my own retail trading, but it's essentially designed to help you stay in winning trades longer and help you have smaller losses on trades when you are wrong. That's the whole premise behind the tier trading strategy. It's basically you'll be selling pieces of your position throughout the course of a trade instead of trying to sell your whole position all at once. Once you learn the tier trading strategy, and there's all members of your trading group that are on this live stream, once you learn how to trade in the tier system, I promise you will never trade any other way. Members of TTG, type the number 1 in chat if the tier trading system has completely changed your trading for the better. Just type the number 1 in chat if you are now better traders because of the tier trading system alone. And if you'll never trade any other way ever again, type the number 1 in chat. If you've never heard of this before, or if you don't understand how to use it, pay attention to the comments that are coming through and all the people that are typing the number 1, because these people learn the tier system just like I learned it. It's a game changer. Your trading can improve literally just from learning this strategy. It's so important that it's actually an entire section of our curriculum and of our courses. That's how important this is. Okay. So, but the way that this works here is if I think that a trade I'm getting into is going to give me a lot of follow through, right? Like if I think the SPY is going to move 8 points or 9 points in a single day, if I think Tesla is going to move 10 points in a single day, if I think NVIDIA is going to move 6 points, if I think Netflix is going to move 15 points in a single day, if I think I'm going to get that kind of momentum and that kind of follow through, I will what I call backload my position. What does that mean? If you have, let's say, 1,000 shares of a stock or 100 or 10 contracts or whatever, right? I'm just making up a number. Say you have 1,000 shares of a stock. If I think I'm going to have a lot of follow through, I'll hold on to the bulk of my position, which is 50% or more of my position. I'll hold on to that deeper into my trade because I think I'm going to get to a much bigger move. So when I get to my first profit target, I sell 25% of my position. When I get to my second profit target, maybe I sell another 25% of my position. I get to my third profit target, I sell another 25% of my position. I get to my fourth profit target, I sell maybe 15% of my position. And then to the final 10% at the last final take profit. That's one example of how I can backload my position. To the contrary of that, if you think you're going to have a choppy day, which is what I thought today, where you're not going to get this huge move, it's going to be more of a consolidation. It's going to be like, oh, maybe the market goes down 3 points and it bounces back up 2 points and it goes down 1 and it goes back up 1. Like you don't get this huge follow through directional move. Then I will start taking the bulk of my position off on my trades earlier. So you can play with these percentages based on what you think the market is going to be doing. Is it going to be a big momentum day or is it going to be a choppy day? We came to the day today expecting a choppy day. That's exactly what we got. So we adjusted the take profits. So instead of taking 25% of profit target 1 and 25% of profit target 2, we take 25% of profit target 1 and 50% at profit target 2, leaving me with then 25% of my position. In case you do get follow through, great. I'm still in the position. But if I don't, and then it just bounces back and just starts to chop around, well, now I've already got a good piece of profit off on 75% of my position, which is exactly what we did today on AMD, right? It's exactly what we did today on AMD. So we got short AMD right up here. And the reason why we got short AMD right up here was, again, because you take a look at AMD, there's the high of the day for AMD, right? AMD did not break the high of the day, right? We did not break the high of the day at the exact same moment that the SPY did break through the high of the day. So there was the high of the day, right? There was the high of the day. You see how we broke through the high. So AMD never broke through the high. So right away, AMD telling me that we're relatively weak on the day. But when I look back, that's the resistance level that we were looking at the market to reverse off of in the morning session. And when we got there, that's when we went ahead and we jumped on the AMD trade and we got short. And then it was first take profit was 25% of the position. And then second take profit was 50% of the position. And we got 75% of our position out on that nice little move to the downside. Okay. So that's an example of how you guys and like nothing else. Look, the stock just went sideways. Like there was.
Mike, you got to welcome Manish to the trial.
Oh, Manish, welcome to the trial. Welcome to the trial, Manish. Oh, I see it on the screen. I didn't see that it was on the screen. Manish, welcome to the trial. Yeah, guys, if you want to join the trial, just go to ttgthree.com. It's 7 days. It's $3. It's a one-time payment. There's no automatic renewal. There's no automatic upgrade. It's a one-time payment of $3. And if you're in chat tomorrow by 10 a.m., you'll have a chance at winning a free annual membership to True Trading Group. And for those of you that aren't lucky enough to win, we will give you a special one-time offer if you do want to join, since we're not able to offer the annual membership tonight. We are making some changes to that annual membership. Okay. So again, go to ttg3spelledout.com. All right. Okay, folks. So yeah, so that's how you guys could, use the tier trading system to help you make more money on choppy days, right? Take more of your position off earlier in the trade. And then when you think you're getting the momentum days, and if you don't have to worry if you don't know how to make that determination. You'll learn as a member of True Trading Group. And that's why you have myself and the 9 other professional traders. We help guide you through that. If we think it's going to be momentum, if we think it's going to be choppy, we will always let you guys know ahead of time.
All right, excellent. Do me a favor. Pull up ticker symbol B as in boy, I as in igloo, O as in open, R as in Robert.
Yeah, big short squeeze.
Let's get into it. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, big short squeeze after hours today. Right around 5:30 in the afternoon, this stock exploded all the way up from $5 to $9 in the after hours session. And that was on top of the stock giving you a huge move early in the day as well. This was a stock that traded hardly any volume whatsoever. It's a $2 stock that was trading, 10,000 shares, 5,000 shares, 1,000 shares. There was no volume on this stock this morning at all. Once you get into the afternoon, you got closer to the close, all of a sudden the stock starts to get volume, probably because it started to get picked up on different traders' radars, and probably once the volume started to kick in, it started to feed, go off on other scanners, and the stock started to really make a big move. It's also a recent reverse split. They did a 1-for-25 split last week, and I think maybe just had a little bit of a short squeeze on this name. This stock, haven't checked what the short percentage is of the float, but it looks like that thing was pretty decently shorted, and people probably came in and shorted it today. The one thing that people have to realize when you get these short squeezes, sometimes you'll look at a stock and be like, oh, well, how come that happened? It only has 3% of the float short. It's not necessarily that a short position that's already there is getting squeezed out. It could be the stock moved higher today, people came in and shorted it, and then they got squeezed later in the day. So people that probably stepped in and shorted the stock here, as a matter of fact, I'll tell you exactly what happened. Now that I'm looking at the chart, this candle right here sucked in a ton of short sellers. So this candle, so if you were a short seller, if you're someone that wants to short a stock, this candle formation is a prime failed breakout with a high volume rejection. That is a sign of weakness. That is a sign that a stock has run out of steam, and is typically a signal where short sellers will come in and short a stock. Now, nothing works 100% of the time. So even though that is a short signal, where if I'm a short seller and I say, hey, where can I get short? If I see that, I'm going to short the stock. Once you see that, that's going to pull in a ton of short sellers. So my guess is that's at 3 o'clock. My guess is that happened. A bunch of traders came in and shorted the stock immediately after that. And then it broke through that high into the close, and they all got squeezed out because it went higher after the closing bell. I'm willing to bet you that a ton of short sellers, if anyone that's on this live stream, if you follow like short sellers, I guarantee you those people shorted this stock right after 3 o'clock. And then they all got squeezed out this afternoon, and that's why the stock just went to $9. All right. Now you have resistance up here around this $9.50 to $10. And that's exactly where the stock just stopped in the after hours session. So we're going to watch this for tomorrow. This is an important level, 950 to 10. You'll see this prior support level back there in October. You also have the 100-day moving average, that purple line that lines up on your screen right there to add more resistance. That's a level of resistance. You watch that area tomorrow. What I will be looking for tomorrow with BIOR, I'll see, can I get a borrow on shares to possibly short it if it rejects at 10? I will want to be short that stock if it can't get above 10. If it does get above 10 tomorrow, let's say maybe there's a gap above it or something, then you'll look for 950 to be support and see if that stock can continue its short squeeze. So this will be a stock absolutely that's on the list for us tomorrow.
Was this Prague?
I have no idea.
I think it was.
I have no idea.
Wasn't that the one that everyone would ask you if you were still in?
Yes, it was like a swing trade, but like whenever the stock would be red, they're like, Mike, are you still in? I'm like, yes. And then the thing squeezed like a week later. Yeah, that was Prague. I don't know if this is it though.
That's funny. All right. Yes, it is Prague.
It was Prague?
Yeah, it's Prague.
Yeah, Prague had like it was back here. It was this.
Nice. All right. Hang on. I'm just pulling up the next question.
How many people are on the live stream right now that are not members, guys? If you're not a member to Trading Group, just type TTG real quick. Type TTG if you guys are not members of True Trading Group. Just type TTG real quick. I want to see who we have on here that's not a member. Just type TTG. Jonathan Wilson, the most loyal YouTube viewer I've ever seen in my life. 519 hockey cards, Benz, Tobias, Danielle, smooth operator, Braxton, Donnie's, Mark. Oh, nice. Alejandra says my husband's a member. We got James, Mike, it's me, T.O. Discount, Billy, Endo, Mike, John, what's up?
Nice. So there's a fair amount of people on here that are not members. What I would suggest, well, let's see. How many people on here right now that are not members are members of the trial currently? Type the number 1 if you are a current trial member. Type the number 1 if you are a current trial member. Again, type the number 1 if you are a current trial member. Saw a video of a guy showing a lawsuit against you both. Well, that's funny. There is no lawsuit. There never was a lawsuit. That guy got his information completely wrong. If you would like, you are more than welcome to go check out a video that we did a long time ago on YouTube explaining what this idiot tried to explain. In fact, if you go to our description, at the bottom of our description, it's something that says TTG's statement and a video. You are more than welcome to click that.
I highly recommend you click
it. I highly recommend that you do.
I highly recommend you click it, brother.
Yeah. Unfortunately, when you become bigger and you grow relatively fast, there's people that tried to kind of ride on that success by saying things that are completely false. So, all good, not even worth addressing. All right. So, everyone else, what I would say is this. If you are, there's a lot of people on here that are not trial members. There are people on here that that are just not members, a good amount of people. What I would suggest you do is this. If you've ever had an interest in joining True Trading Group, go to ttgthree.com. That's ttgthree.com. We have a 7-day trial. It's a full 7 trading days. So weekends and holidays don't count. So that means you sign up right now. This weekend will not count. And Monday, because it's, what is it, President's Day?
Is it really?
Monday is a holiday.
The market's closed Monday?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I didn't even know that.
So Monday will not count either. So you will not lose any time by signing up for the trial membership today. Okay? Oh, Martin Luther King Day is what it is. Okay? So sign up for the trial now. We cannot sell you an annual membership tonight. All right? We will be able to sell them tomorrow, but what we're going to do is, because it's our issue tonight, anyone that signs up for the trial tonight and that is in chat or on the app, because you can go ahead and download the our mobile application and be in chat with our mobile app as well. So as long as you have earbuds and a cell phone, you can stay connected. What we're going to do is we're going to give away 1 free annual membership tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. in chat with our trials. And we're going to give away, we're going to give a one-time, take it or leave it, stupidly reduced rate to join for the year because we couldn't get the changes we needed to the annual membership done this evening. So if you were ever interested in True Trading Group, I would highly recommend signing up right now. You get to come in on a Wednesday. That is important because the very next day is CPI, and you get to trade with us during CPI. Okay? The $3 trial is literally just to confirm that you're a real person. That's why the $3. When the trial membership is up, you do not get charged for anything else ever again. Sign up for the trial. You go to ttgthree.com. You put in your name. You put in your email. You click, yes, I want this. Sometimes it'll ask you to pick all the squares that have the crosswalk. Then it'll load. We have a member application. We have a member application because we want to make sure that you're here for the right reasons. Okay, so aside from the $3 to make sure you're a real person, everyone has $3, right? But we want to make sure you're here for the right reasons. So you're going to answer this application. It'll take you a couple minutes to do so. Fill it out. And then once you are done filling it out, you can select submit. And then once you submit, it takes you to the payment page to say, congratulations, your True Trading Group trial application has been accepted. All you have to do from this point on is create your True Trading Group account, name, email, phone number, username, password, and then sign up. That is it. You are only ever charged the $3 one time. That is it. You will never be charged again when the trial is over. It is literally just to make sure you are a real person. Okay? By signing up for this trial, you are not obligated to join for a full membership. It's none of that crap. But you sign up today, and you're able to be in chat with us tomorrow, get yourself acclimated, and then be ready to go on Thursday for CPI. Our inability to get changes done to the annual membership tonight gives you a rare opportunity to participate with us this week for $3. Take advantage of it. All right? Take advantage of it. All right? To the 15 to 20% of you on here that are not members, this will be the best $3 you ever spend or the worst $3 you ever spend.
Yeah, you guys got a chance at a free membership too. I mean, you'll have a chance at a free membership tomorrow.
Yeah, so there's a lot of people signing up right now for it. So, yeah. Oop, Siri, stop talking. So anyways, that's all I got to say about that. And then what we'll do is we'll also go ahead and start shouting you guys out as you join the trial. So we're happy to have you guys here. Yeah, so very happy to have you guys here. So again, tomorrow we will offer you at 10 a.m. and you don't have to physically be at your desk. You can download the mobile app, use the mobile application, and just as long as you have headphones, you can be participating. We will give you a chance at a free annual membership. As well, we will give you a one-time take it or leave it offer that will be stupid. So, and that'll be a direct, because of our inability to get certain things done for today.
Yeah.
All right. For those wondering, there is no monthly cost to a True Trading Group membership. There is only an annual cost that's paid up front. Why is that? Because part of what makes True Trading Group different is that we went out and we got relationships with bigger companies like Benzinga, TradingView, Quote Media, ETNA, CBOE, the NASDAQ. Like, we went out and we took all these premium products from these companies, and we got permission and agreements to put them all under one roof on our platform. So yes, we have courses and we have alerts, but we also have all of these premium tools from all these other companies at no upsell. So all of our premium tools, all of our premium data, real-time data, all these things, they are not extra when you sign up for True Trading Group. They are included. which is a very big difference between us and everyone else. All courses and all premium tools are forever included in your membership. That includes any new courses or new tools, right? We have a 22 course curriculum that's constantly being expanded upon, which is great. There's no upsells for courses. Now, to be fair, there are things that if you wanted to, you could pay extra for, right? So, we have these 12-hour workshops that we do once a quarter, and that's anywhere from $50 to $125, depending. We also have like an overnight after hours chat and like on-demand study groups and things like that, which is an extra fee. But all the courses, all of the tools, everything that is the core of what it is that we have to offer or will offer is available for one price, no upsell. The reason we can't do a monthly membership is because if we did a monthly membership, we would have our downstream partners that we work the deals with, they would cancel on us. Because the reason that we are able to do this is, quite frankly, because we charge for a year and then they make their money up front, which we're fine with because we're able to keep the cost of this stuff down. Okay, so Nestor Acosta is saying, "What's the annual fee? What's the annual fee?" Sign up for the trial. It's $3. You want to know the annual fee? Sign up for the trial. It's $3. The annual fee is normally $2,212. But what I will tell you is that last night it was $11.97 on the stream. Tonight, if we were selling it, it would be $13.50. And tomorrow in chat, it will be a fraction of that when I offer it for the one-time price. But that's only for people that sign up tonight. All right, for the trial, that's $3. Worst case scenario, you spend $3, and that's it. It just expires. Then you spend $3. And if you're truly unhappy with your $3 trial, I have no problems refunding you, although I will make fun of you that you asked for a $3 refund. So as long as you're okay with the public shaming, I am fine with refunding you. I can't sign up for another 3 hours. Is that too late? No, absolutely not. You don't have to sign up like on this live stream or be damned.
Yeah, you're just be in chat tomorrow by 10 a.m.
Yeah. That's not like
or on the mobile app. Like I said, so don't think like if you can't be in front of your computer at 10 a.m., then you can't do this. Just join the trial at any time between today and tomorrow morning, TTG.com, and then you'll download the mobile app, True Trading Group's mobile app, and then you can be inside of our chat connected on your phone. And then we're going to give away to a trial member, we're going to give away a free membership tomorrow.
Right, and you'll all get a one-time deal. Now, here's the thing. When you sign up for the trial and you want to download the app, once you sign up for the trial, on your trial member dashboard, there's going to be a tab that says mobile app. Before you download the mobile app, watch the 1 minute and 27 second video for how to connect the mobile app. Okay, if you download the mobile app and you try and just enter your username and password, it won't work. There's a quick way that you need to connect it. And that 1 minute and 27 second video will show you everything. It'll save you time and it will save you a lot of frustration and everything else. It's very simple. It's very easy to find on your member dashboard. Everything is labeled very clearly. All right, so please, please, please do that. It'll save everyone a lot of frustration. All right, again, TTG3 spelled out .com. All right. For all of you asking, David, welcome to the TTG trial. David.
Welcome, David.
All right, let's do this. Now, does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any other questions? Family Adventure says, are your professional moderators / traders certified traders, Series 7 or Series 63? No, they are not. They also don't need to be because they are not selling you any securities. They are not selling.
First of all, they can't even be a Series 7 because your Series 7 needs to be shelved. And the only way your Series 7 can be shelved, it has to be shelved with a licensed firm. So your Series 7 will expire if you're not working at a firm. So you don't need to be Series 7 certified to just be a professional, just day trader on your own. You need to have your Series 7 if you guys are going to be selling securities to another person. Okay, and then that would need to be shelved with a company that you're working at. And then the other Series 63, that's going to be a regulation if you're being part of a prop trading firm where somebody else is giving you excess leverage that you wouldn't get if you were trading at like your E-Trade account. So you'll need the Series 63 if you're trading at like a prop firm, right? So it depends on where you are trading and how you're trading. But you do not need a Series 7 or a Series 63 to be a full-time trader at all.
So the next question becomes, what makes them a professional trader, right?
This is their job. This
right.
is how they
well, yeah. So that is what makes them a professional trader. That this is their job. This is what they do. So at True Trading Group, because True Trading Group is a business, we do pay them a salary, but the majority of how they make their money is by trading. That's how they make their money, is by trading. That's what makes them a professional. You know, it's just like in anything else. Amateurs don't get paid, pros get paid. You know, that's usually the distinction between professional trader and, you know, and something else.
You only need those licenses if you're working at a specific firm that requires it.
Right. So I would say that anyone that is trading full time for a living, that person is a professional trader. Would you agree, Mike?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Mike, pull up PRTY. Let's take a look.
Oh. I can't believe this stock is 60 cents now. I remember I haven't looked at this stock in a very long time. The last time I probably looked at this stock was 2021 at some point because it was like a big kind of like meme stock, and this thing went nuts in 2021. I can't believe this stock is at 60 cents. This is not a good company or good stock. It had a big day today. The stock was up 184%, but it's still a 60-cent stock. You have a lot of resistance up here at 75 cents. I don't trade stuff. I really don't. This stock was 25 cents yesterday. You guys won't find me trading a 25-cent stock. You won't find me trading a 25-cent stock, but you've got resistance there at 75 cents. You're going to look at this prior support level that you had back in November. It lines up with the 50-day moving average today, which is also your high of the day at 75 cents. Once you broke underneath that 75-cent level in November, you'll see it became resistance for about a week and a half until the stock really started to drift. You had the big move to the upside today. It became resistance right there. Prior 75 pivot low, 50-day moving average. That gives you resistance at today's high. I don't know. I don't really see much here that really captures my attention. I will tell you this. If by any chance this stock was to get to $1.15, I will absolutely 100% do everything I possibly can to get a borrow from Lightspeed to short it. $1.15 is a huge resistance level. It's even bigger than the 75-cent level.
Would that make you a party pooper?
That would make me a party pooper. Yes. I would poop all over this party. Okay. I would poop all over this party if this thing got to $1.15. The reason for that is just follow me on the chart, guys. It's very simple to see.
Real quick, before we follow you on the chart, we got to welcome Tara, Ashish, Charles, Iran, Chris, Bala, and Paul to the True Trading Group trial. Excellent, guys. Welcome to the trial membership. We look forward to trading with you this week. You made a very smart $3 investment. What else can you get for $3 nowadays?
You can't get much. I mean, my Starbucks is $5.
Yeah, it's funny you mentioned that. Yeah, my Starbucks today for a large coffee was over $3.
Yeah, no, I get a grande cold brew and it's $5.
Yeah. Real quick before you get back to the explanation, we had Jeff Miller ask us how long we've been trading for. Mike, how long have you been trading for?
Jeff, I've been. You know what, Jeff? You're asking a lot of questions, Jeff. I appreciate you participating, man, and getting to know us a little bit better. I've been doing this for 17 years. My very first job out of college, I was working at a hedge fund in New York City, and that's where I learned how to become a trader. And that was, I've been doing this for now around 17 years. True Trading Group went live in 2016. 2017, we went live to the public. And now today we have over 10,500 members in 100 different countries.
I got to tell you, I love some of these questions that are being asked tonight because you could tell these people are new members and or not new members, but new to the trial. And they're or I don't even know if they're trial members. They're just asking questions and you could tell they're not members. And they're asking the right questions. Right? They're asking the right questions. So for example, Lou Martin says, hey, what kind of experience does the moderators have and what makes them stand out versus any other full-time trader? That's a phenomenal question, right? That's a phenomenal question. I'm more than happy to answer it. So we have many moderators inside of True Trading. We have 9 total, Mike? Is that what it is?
Yes.
But yeah, Mike, you can take that one. Go ahead.
Yeah. Great question. I see that question from Lou Martin.
Anyone else, hold on a second. Anyone else that is not a member that has these type of tough questions, will you please ask them?
Guys, we're an open book.
I love this. I love the fact. Yeah, hang on. I love the fact that you guys are engaging right now like this. So please ask any questions you want. We are an open book. This is fantastic. Go ahead.
Yeah, whatever you guys want to know. So the question was, what kind of experience do the moderators have that makes them stand out versus other full-time traders? So there's 9 of us. Now, when we built the moderator team at True Trading Group, okay, and members, don't be shy. You guys, members, you can comment and chat too what you guys think about the moderators and what separates them from other full-time traders. But Lou, when we created the moderator team at True Trading Group, we very specifically did so where the moderators all have different trading styles. So like whether you'll have a day trader, you'll have swing trading, you have stocks, you have options, you have high volatility, low volatility, like short-term swings, which is like, maybe 2 to 3 days, long-term swings, which is like several weeks to maybe a month or two. Like we have a lot of different trading styles. You have crypto, you have futures. So it's very important to us when we started this platform that we would have all of these different trading styles so that members get exposure to these different styles. A lot of people make the mistake, they go on YouTube and they're like, oh, look, this person made 10 grand today. Let me just do what they did. Well, their style may not work for you. Maybe that person's a scalper. Maybe they're in and out within a minute. You can't do that if you're driving an ambulance or you're teaching a classroom full of 10-year-olds or you're working a bulldozer at a construction site. You can't do that trading style. But that doesn't mean that trading is not for you and you can't make money from the market. So that's one thing that is important that everybody understands about our moderators. Now, just to name a couple of them, like I said, I've been doing this for 17 years. One of our other moderators, Chris Toner, who trades options specifically, he's been trading options full-time, earning his income, paying for him and his family and his life for 20 years. Makes me look like a newbie. I've been doing this for 17 years, right?
He also sounds like Barry White.
He does sound like Barry White. He's got the greatest voice. Everyone, when he comes on the microphone, everyone just goes, ah. We also have another moderator who trades literally just from his phone. He turned 10 grand into 600K and has been living off that money ever since. And we have one of our moderators also that we have when we add new moderators to our team, we are actually taking them from True Trading Group. So like we just recently added a moderator. Her name is Shai. Shai is a military veteran that is now a full-time trader, and she started with True Trading Group and has now become a full-time trader, and that is her source of income. And she's been able to maintain about an 80% win rate over the last 6 months. And we just promoted her to become one of our TTG mods because, unfortunately, one of our other mods had to step away for health reasons. So we brought on a new moderator, and what we like to do is take members that have gotten to a point of success where they're now full-time. They submit their information to us. I take a look at their information. What are they doing? What are they trading? How are they trading? What's their win rate? What kind of profit are they dealing with? What's, all of that, those different information, those different stats. And then we'll make a decision. Okay, if this person qualifies to become one of the moderators in True Trading Group, yes or no. And that's what we do. So like the moderators that started all have that long-term experience. And then now what we're doing is taking moderators that have become successful through the True Trading Group system. Like Jessica Woodard, she was a member of True Trading Group a couple of years ago, started out as an annual member, didn't really know anything, now has worked her way up to become a full-time trader, and now that's how she earns her living, and she has also become one of the mods at True Trading Group.
Yeah, we also have a mod that was an ex-market maker for Deutsche Bank.
Yes, an ex-market maker at Deutsche Bank. Yes, I forgot about Gio. I'm sorry, but yeah, Gio was an ex-market maker at Deutsche Bank. We got Glennie, who was a licensed financial professional for like 30 years. I mean, you've got a lot of different variety.
We've assembled a pretty excellent team of diversified traders, all styles of trading. And what really separates them is not just their ability to call out alerts, but their ability to teach. Their ability to teach and help you understand concepts while they are calling out alerts, so that you don't just shadow them, but you actually understand what it is that is taking place.
Yeah, important.
Bill T, you do though. The answer to your question is you do. So anytime you want to do that, just let me know, and you'll honestly be relevant to me.
Bye, Bill.
Bye.
Bye, Bill. So yeah, guys. So there you go. I hope that helps, Lou. I hope that answers your question, bro. I can tell that. It seems like you're not a new trader. I need to ask that question, but I hope that helps answer your question. I hope you guys.
There was another. Oh, we got to welcome Yasser. We have to welcome Yasser.
Yasser, welcome.
Welcome to the group. Welcome to the trial. Yasser, we do.
And honestly, like people, if you have questions about the mods and stuff, like join the trial. Come hang out with us for 7 days and see what it's like. See how we all trade. Yeah. See what we trade. See how we trade.
For anyone that's just joining us right now, or just whatever. So Yasser just joined the trial. It's a $3 trial. You go to ttgthree.com. That's ttgthree.com. It is a $3 trial. You are never charged more than $3. It's 7 full trading days, so you're going to get a full 7 trading days, right? Full 7 trading days. So that does not include weekends or holidays. So this weekend and Monday, which is a holiday, will not be included in that trial. All right. So you sign up today, you're going to get all the way into next week, full 7 days. Also, tomorrow's Wednesday. This is obviously common knowledge, but that's important because the day after that is Thursday, which is CPI. So you spend the day in chat with us tomorrow, get acclimated, and then Thursday we're going to be trading with CPI data, okay, which is a big deal. And because we are not able to sell you an annual membership tonight, what we are doing is anyone that goes to ttgthree.com and signs up for our $3 7-day trial, tomorrow morning in chat, as long as you're in chat by 10 o'clock, and that doesn't mean you have to be in front of your computer. You can download our mobile app and use the mobile app. As long as you have headphones, you can participate. And we're going to be giving out 1 free membership to 1 lucky trial member that registers this evening. And everyone else, we are going to give a special one-time take it or leave it discount for the entire year. And we're going to be doing that for our inability to finish our updates on our annual membership tonight.
Yeah.
So, so look, take advantage of our inability to get the annual membership up to date this evening. Join the $3 trial. It's $3. And like I said, if you're completely unsatisfied with the trial at the end of the 7 days and you'd like a refund, I'm going to make fun of you, but I will gladly give you. That's the trade-off. I'm all for giving you the $3 back, but it's going to come with a little bit of public shaming. But it will be the best $3 that you ever spend. I assure you.
I also, yeah, guys, join the trial.
So very simple. You go to ttgthree.com. You enter your name. You enter your email. You click yes, I want this. You'll occasionally have to verify your submission. Then it's going to take you to a trial member application. This application is because we know that everyone has $3. Okay, we know that. What we're looking for is the right group of people. All right, so fill out the application. If you're approved, most of you will be approved. For those that aren't, no problem. Okay. Go ahead, fill out the application, and then you're going to click submit. It's going to take you to the checkout page. On this page, it'll show you congratulations, your trial has been accepted. Go ahead, create your account. You're going to put your name, your email, your phone number. You're going to create a username, a password, and you're going to pay the $3. At the end of your 7-day trial, your $3 is not going to automatically renew. You don't have to cancel anything. It just expires. It's $3, and you never get charged another dime ever again if you don't want to sign up. Signing up for the trial does not guarantee or obligate you to sign up for an annual membership at all. All right, so take advantage of it. We're giving away a free annual membership tomorrow at 10 a.m. You got to be in chat either with the either with the mobile app or at your desktop. Either way, you should be connected. All right, very good. Next. All right. So big welcome to Yasser.
I got to give a shout out to, we got Smooth Operator finally just joined the trial, so welcome.
He's Paul.
Yes, welcome. And I got to give a shout out to Roto and Chris, my boy Wizard, who's been absolutely killing it, making strides and reaching his goals. He's even getting his kids involved. He's trying to get his coworkers to sign up. We got to give a shout out to Roto and Chris. I'm giving you guys a shout out at Wizard's direction. So it's time for you guys to get your butts on in chat and see what he's been raving about all this time.
I am trying to find.
What time is this CPI report released on Thursday? 8:30 a.m. Eastern time.
I'm trying to find another question.
Do you guys think that I can here? Jesse Chavez says, do you guys think I can start trading stocks with $500? Jesse, I don't just think you can. I know you can. A lot of members in True Trading Group started with less than $1,000. And guys, members of TTG, real quick, can you just type in chat how much money you started with in your account? If you started with, like, let's say less than $1,000. If you started with less than $1,000, just type in chat right now how much you started with. So Jesse, I would just, don't take my word. I have a large account. Don't take my word for it. See the people that are commenting in chat. See from them how much money they started with, and let them tell you if they think that $500 is doable. Amanda says they started with $300. James started with $100. $500 for Bruce. Dr. Jonathan Batista started with $600 and is now at that's incredible, Dr. Jonathan started with $600, is now at $3,000 6 days later. That's amazing. Rodney started with $180. Lisa with $500. $500 for Craig. $500. So, there you go, Jesse. That's what I'm saying. Like, don't take my word for it. I'm not sitting there. I'm not trading with a $500 account, right? So it's better for you to hear directly from members of True Trading Group if they think it's possible. If they've actually been able to accomplish exactly what you're asking. I think it's better for people like that to answer the question rather than myself. I hope that helps, Jesse. Guys, keep firing away. Type your questions in chat.
I'm really trying to find that other question I saw.
Ben Griffin says, I started the second time with $200 after I lost $5,000 before I found True Trading Group. Now, 2 weeks later, I'm up to $800. We got to welcome Wilson, Angel, and Keith to the trial. Wilson, Angel, and Keith. Guys, go to TTG.com. Join the trial. Come and chat with us. You have the CPI report Thursday. You got 7 trading days with us. It's a one-time payment of $3. It's not like you don't commit and it automatically upgrades you and automatically charges you. No, if you don't want to sign up after 7-day trial is over, you're just never charged ever again. That's it. It just expires. There's no automatic renewal or any of that funny business. It's just a one-time payment of $3. We charge $3 just so we can maintain the integrity of the chat room.
And remember, when your trial is over and you didn't sign up for the annual and you want a refund on the $3, I'm going to give it to you, but I am going to make fun of you. All right. Real quick, this is the question I was looking for. Dave S. asks, with the amount of group members trading these stocks, can it affect the price action? Make it jump in price quick or dump quick based on the buying and selling in unison? Michael?
Absolutely not. This is the reason why in True Trading Group, we actually do not trade thinly traded stocks. We do not trade OTCs. We do not trade stocks that have, 100,000 shares traded. We only are trading big board NASDAQ, heavy liquidity type of stocks where there is absolutely no impact or effect from that. Okay, this is not like an organized, coordinated buy effort where we all get together. Okay, guys, everybody get ready. We're all going to buy this 50-cent piece of garbage stock. We're going to push it up to $1, and then we're going to dump it. That's not what we do inside of True Trading Group. Okay, so the moderators will always tell you what they are doing. So the moderators would say, hey, guys, listen, this is the stock I'm looking. I'm going to buy. I tell you what I'm going to do before I do it. So let's say there's a stock, let's say $20 to support. I say, guys, $20 to support. I'm looking to be a buyer. I'm buying at around 2025, and my stop loss will be 1950. So everybody knows before I even enter the trade, everybody knows what stock I'm going to buy and where I'm going to buy it. And then when the stock reaches my price and I actually execute my order, a notification gets sent out in real time that lets you know that my order has now executed. I'm now long this stock or short this stock or in this option or whatever it is. But we only trade highly liquid, big board stocks. We're not trading like these small illiquid OTC stocks that can be pumped around and manipulated and cause people to stock spikes up, stock crashes when I get in and I get out. And that's not the kind of stuff that we trade in True Trading Group, guys. Good question, though. You guys are asking phenomenal questions. I really appreciate all these questions. I wish people asked these more often. I mean, now you're really getting into like, what are we about? What is True Trading Group about? What's our style? Who are we? What's our education level? What's our experience level? This is the kind of questions you should be asking. So seriously, don't be shy. Just ask your questions if you guys have anything at all that you're curious about.
I got to tell you, this is great, man. I really like the fact this feels more relaxed. I like the fact that we're doing this a little bit later tonight. I know it wasn't our, go-to time, but I like it. Mike, see how many people are still on here that are not members, real quick?
If you're not a member or you're not a trial member, I know we have a lot of trials that just signed up. So if you're not a member and you're not a trial, type TTG still in chat. Type TTG if you're not a member and you're not a trial. Type TTG real quick. And when we're done with this, can you grab Chris Thomas's question? Fantastic.
I saw it. It's so funny. Like, I already had my finger on it.
Yeah, thanks. All right, let's see who we got. We got J Kill. We got Know Thyself. We got EJ. We got Charles. Good. All right, so just a couple. Tobias. Look, we had a lot of people that joined the trial already. Guys, listen, if you're typing TTG, seriously, do you guys want a free membership? Because tomorrow we're going to give away a free membership. So whoever joins the trial tonight, you've got a shot. And the odds are really, really good. I mean, you've seen how many people have joined so far. It's not like your shot is one in 1,000. So you guys want a shot at a free membership. If you're typing TTG, go to TTG.com, join the trial. It's $3. You'll be able to trade with us for 7 days. And you'll get even if you don't win the free membership, we're going to give you one hell of a discount in case you do want to join. we'll give you guys one hell of a discount because since we're not able to offer the membership here this evening. So yeah, guys, go to ttg3spelledout.com. Again, there's no automatic upgrade. There's no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring payments. It's a one-time payment of $3. You couldn't ask for a better time with the CPI number on Thursday.
Somebody says if I join now, I lose the connection to this great video. So then wait.
Wait till we're done and sign up when the live stream is over. There's no rush.
There's no rush. You don't have to sign up right now or you're gonna lose it. You're fine.
Yeah, you're fine.
The only benefit to signing up now is that I'll yell Michael yell your name out now.
Yeah, I'll call your name out.
But
Charles, no worries.
Look, honestly, you can sign up first thing tomorrow morning if you want.
No worries, Charles. I'll sign up when the video's done. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, there's no FOMO for a trial, man.
No rush, guys.
It's ridiculous.
No rush.
We gotta welcome Brian.
Brian, welcome to the trial.
Look, Danielle Wen signed up for the trial, and she's like, join now. It's quick and easy. You've been a trial for 5 minutes.
I like you, Danielle, already.
I like Danielle too. That's cool.
All right, you want to hit back on Chris's question?
Yes, I do. So Chris's question is, there are many aspects to trading. What would you say is the most important, and how would True Trading Group help me in that area? This is a freaking phenomenal question.
It's one of the best questions I think anyone's ever asked on these live streams. And Chris, what I'll teach you in True Trading Group, and something that you're going to learn in True Trading Group, we are huge sticklers for risk management and trader psychology. And that is the most important aspect of trading, hands down, by far. Everybody sees the same chart. Everybody sees the same indicators. Okay. So why is it one trader can look at a chart? Once you understand the chart, once you understand the candlesticks, once you understand the indicators, right? How is it that two people with the exact same understanding of technical analysis can look at a chart, one can make money and one can lose money? Because more than 80% of trading is up here inside your head. And there are a couple things that you will learn as a member of True Trading Group. You will learn how to make more money when you are right than you will lose when you are wrong. Most inexperienced traders, it is the exact opposite. Most inexperienced traders, they'll lose $500 when they're wrong. They make $200 or $175 when they're right. You are never, ever, 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 ever going to be a consistently profitable trader if that is the case. You have to make more money when you are right than you lose when you're wrong. And proper risk management, proper position sizing, understanding how each trade that you get into, you should not be putting the exact same dollar amount into every trade. The amount of money that goes into a trade, meaning your position size, should vary from trade to trade because every trade carries different risk. Every trade carries different volatility. So you can't be in a $5,000 position on this stock and a $5,000 position on this stock. You're completely wrong. When people say to me, like, Mike, what's your average position size? Right away, I know that you do this part wrong. Right away, I know that you are taking the exact same dollar amount and you're putting into every single trade. I can enter a trade with 10,000, with 50,000, with $1 million position size, and I can risk the exact same dollar amount based on that stock. You should be risking the same dollar amount, meaning if you're wrong, you're going to lose this much money. Every single time, if you're wrong, this is how much money you should lose.
Mike, real quick, I got to sign off and put my daughter to sleep.
Okay.
All right. I love you guys. Sign up for the trial. We'll see you tomorrow in chat. I'm going to be giving out a free annual membership and a deal that is insane tomorrow for anyone that wants to sign up to be a member. Trust me, tomorrow is going to be the morning to do that. All right. That's 10 a.m. in the morning. Download the app. For those that are downloading the app, please, please, please make sure that once you sign up for the trial on your member dashboard, make sure that you watch the video that's 1 minute and 27 seconds that is labeled mobile app so that you are able to connect your mobile app correctly. All right. Love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. This is awesome.
Yeah, we got More questions too. EJ says, you guys trade options or common? EJ, we trade both. So there's 9 moderators in your trading. We trade stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We trade it all, brother. We trade it all. So we got to welcome Anki and Juan. Anki and Juan, welcome to the trial membership. So yeah, back to that person, Chris Thomas's questions. Risk management is something that you're going to learn how to implement. And then just the trader psychology aspect. Not enough people talk about it, but it is all the difference. It is not the difference maker in trading. It's not some special secret indicator. It's not some special secret equation. It's not some special secret chart pattern. It's trader psychology. It's getting your mind into the right state and think about trading differently. People think about trading, they approach trading the wrong way. That is why a lot of people fail. Trader psychology courses are, so that we ask members and we like survey members and stuff, and the most common answer of what is your favorite course is trader psychology. Most common answer. Go ahead, members. What's your favorite course in True Trading Group? What's your favorite course? Just comment, type it in chat. And Chris, some people might say like, oh, the advanced courses, or they might say, oh, the options courses, but the majority of people are going to say trader psychology. I guarantee it. So Chris, you just read some of the comments that come through. Members, go ahead, literally type. What was your favorite course in the curriculum? You guys go ahead and type it. Look, all the psychology. See, told you. I knew it. Oh, there's go. Bonnie said options. Yeah, I know. Some people are going to say the options courses. Some people will say the advanced course. Oh, the tax course. Nice. Jordan, yeah, we have a tax course that teaches you guys, helps you with your taxes too. Trader psychology, hands down. Trader psych. Yep. See, I told you. It's the most important part of trading, guys. It really is. It really, really, really honestly is. Listen. Once you learn the technicals, the rest is up here. Only like 20% of trading is the charts. 80% of it's all up here. You guys are asking amazing questions. I really appreciate the interaction tonight, guys. It's a great live stream. I want to do something a little different today and just kind of open things up and just take a bunch of your questions. And I think this is going really well. So anybody else have any questions for me? Go ahead, guys. Don't be shy. Literally anything about me, anything about the group, anything about True Trading Group, anything about a particular stock or the markets or an aspect of the market or something about the economy. Mike, welcome to the trial. We just had Mike just signed up for the trial. Guys, go to TTG.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. It's a one-time payment, guys, at $3. That's it. We only charge $3. Make sure you're a real person. Daily live trading. Annie, yes. Oh, man, Annie. So myself and the 9 moderators, we are with you live from the pre-market session all the way through until the market closes. So we share our screen with you so you see what we see. I'm talking to you on the microphone and so the other moderators, just like I am. Okay. So I've been talking to you as well throughout the entire day. And when our moderators enter or exit trades, meaning when their orders actually execute, you get push notifications that let you know that the moderators have entered or exited trades. And we're not scalpers. So you're not going to be getting like alerts like every 60 seconds, like, oh, in, out, out, in, out. Like, and you're like, and you can't even, by the time you're buying, someone else is selling. Like, that's not the way that we trade. My day trades, for example, last several hours long. Our swing trades are a few days, sometimes a couple weeks. Like, we're not in and out. Just Gio, what's up, bro? Except Gio. Gio is a scalper. Gio is one of our moderators, former market maker. And he scalps SPY options all day long. So he is the only scalper that we have. And I told you, all trading styles are represented with our professional trading mods. And Gio is one of them. And Gio is a scalper. So Gio, nothing but love, man. He goes candle to candle, baby. Yes. That's Gio's trading style. He's damn good at it. Not for me. I can't scalp. I can't be in and out within seconds like that. Claudio, welcome to the cloud. Claudio just joined. Claudio, welcome. How much has social media affected the market compared to 17 years ago when you started trading? Excellent question, Dennis. God, you guys are asking such great questions. It affected in a huge way. You never really used to have like these. You never had like retail traders like all getting together. And like everything that you saw happen with all the meme stocks and everything that you see happening, like some of these small caps and like AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond and GameStop and all these other, even though these stocks had no business doing what they did, it was just interesting to see the power of a coordinated and a gathered and organized retail trader. You never really had something, you never had that before. Now, social media has brought such a huge rise of retail traders into the market. It's added a ton of liquidity into the market. There's more liquidity in the market than there was 17 years ago because of all the activeness of retail. There was a huge jump in liquidity and a huge jump in activity once the internet and online brokerages came about, like when E-Trade came about and retail traders were actually able to like go and buy and sell on their own without a broker. It allowed the frequency of their trading and the frequency of their actions and their movements, which increased liquidity. And when liquidity increases, volatility increases. And that volatility increase is really something that's been really prevalent over the last several years. And the volatility continues to increase. The liquidity continues to increase. And I just think it's a wonderful thing to see so many people, so many more people getting into the market. The stock market's the greatest equalizer. It doesn't care where you come from, doesn't care if you're a Democrat, if you're a Republican, doesn't care what your gender is, doesn't care what your nationality is, doesn't care what your religion is, doesn't care where you went to school. It doesn't care how much money you have. It doesn't care if you were spoon-fed or if you had to work your ass off on your own. It doesn't care. Every single person has the exact same opportunity. If someone's like, oh, well, this hedge fund manager just bought this stock, you could literally go and buy the exact same stock. Yes, they might buy $10 million worth. You might buy $1,000 worth, but you can still do the exact same things that they are doing to make money. Like it's the greatest equalizer. Everyone's like, oh, Warren Buffett. Okay, you can literally go and buy all the stocks that Warren Buffett owns. Now, Warren Buffett bought his first stock in like 1940s. So, okay, he's got a bit of a head start on all of you. Literally, he bought his first stock in the 1940s. But, you know, the point is anybody can do it. And I just think that the rise of social media has brought so many more retail traders into the markets. And it's a wonderful thing. And that's why I try to educate people to actually learn this the proper way, because too many retail traders specifically, they treat trading like a casino. They think they're just going to get rich quick. They're looking for the next mother of all short squeezes, you know, and it's total garbage. That's the absolute wrong way to approach the market. If you're ever trying to be a consistently profitable trader and actually make money on a regular basis, that's the goal. Your goal is not to just make money once. Like your goal is to make money every month or every year from the markets and really supplement your income, or eventually maybe take over your income and do this full time. But in order for you to do that, you don't do that by looking for the mother of all short squeezes. You do that by consistently pulling money out of the market, regardless of the environment, regardless of if it's a bull market, if it's a bear market, if it's a sideways market, if it's high volatility, low volatility, if small caps are hot, if small caps are cold, if the large caps, if earnings season is crazy. Like, that is how you're going to be able to make money day in, not day in and day out. Everybody has red days. I have red days too. But like, you know, month in, month out, year in, year out. That's how you're going to be able to make money in the markets. But people approach it the wrong way. I will teach you the exact same way that the professionals at the fund that I worked at taught me. That's it. Too many retail traders, they get involved in the market. They get their asses handed to them because they have no idea what they're doing. And then they go, oh, this market's a scam. What do you mean it's a scam? You have no idea what you're doing. What did you think was going to happen? You're just going to open up a Robinhood account. You're going to go on Reddit. And because Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat told you this stock was going to go to the moon and it didn't go to the moon, it actually went down 90%. You think the market's a scam? Is that how you think professional traders make money? Of course not. But that's what people think. And they're like, oh, it's the shorts, the evil shorts, and all these phantom ghost shares, and all these evil market makers, and all this and all that. And no. That's not what's happening. Stop focusing on that. You're going to focus on that until you're blue in the face, until your account is at zero. Meanwhile, you're going to let some of the best trading opportunity that I've seen in my entire 17-year career pass you right by. It's going to pass you right by. And then people leave. Retail traders come into the market, they get smoked, and then they leave. We're trying to educate people. We're trying to be the reason why Wall Street no longer calls retail traders dumb money. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but the joke on Wall Street is that retail traders are called dumb money, and the professionals they call themselves, this is by them, of course, they call themselves smart money, and they call retail dumb money. Why do you think that is? It's because retail traders do the exact opposite of what you're supposed to do. The market's at all-time highs, everybody comes flying into the market. Oh, the markets are down, we should sell everything. That's the exact opposite of how you make money in the markets. But that's what people do. I want to be the reason why nobody calls retail traders dumb money anymore. Great question. Keep them flowing. Anybody else? I'll take maybe a couple more, guys, before we wrap things up. Don't forget TTGTHREE.com. TTGTHREE.com. Join our trial. Literally, guys, it's $3. Tomorrow, we're going to give away a Tomorrow, we're going to give a free annual membership. All right, we're going to give away a free annual membership tomorrow to one lucky trial member. When is CPI? Thursday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Mike, building your long-term portfolio, do you include bonds, commodities, real estate, dividend stocks, or just stocks in general? Bert, so I have real estate. I also have dividend stocks, and then I have regular stocks. I also have some funds. I don't have bonds. I'm 37. I don't have bonds. I will have bonds when I'm 60. One of my top ideas, so I actually just put out my 2023 stock market report. And listen, I'm not a financial advisor, right? I'm not a financial advisor. So you should always, do your own research and talk to a retirement professional, like a financial advisor, for your own stuff. But I mentioned in my 2023 report, you have not seen a 3-month T-bill give you a 5% interest rate since 2007. Now you have zero risk with a T-bill. You literally have zero risk. Okay. You haven't gotten a 5% interest rate since 2007. Right now, you can get a 3-month T-bill for 4.5 to 5% annualized rate of return on your money, right? So you get, 4.5 to 5% on your money for the year. If I was retired, or if I was about to retire, I would roll my money into the 3-month T-bill and then maybe do a ladder strategy. A ladder strategy means you're buying, like you'll buy a 3-month T-bill, you'll buy a 6-month, right? And you'll like stagger out the times so that your bills, they mature in different chunks so you can keep rolling the money forward. And I would collect a 5% return on my money with zero risk if I was retired or if I was about to retire. So like in 2021, I sold my long-term portfolio for the first time in over a decade because the stock market was at the all-time highs. It made no sense whatsoever. September and October, I sold my long-term portfolio in 2021. And you don't have to take my word for it. Go back and watch my live streams from September, October, November, December of 2021. And I announced in September and October that I'm selling in my long-term portfolio. I think the market's going to go down. I told my father the same thing. My father's in his early mid-60s. And he's getting ready to retire. So I was like, Dad, this is as good as it gets. Sell out, and then get your money and start rolling things, go into some municipal bonds, go into like some lower volatility, some real dividend payers, go into some lower volatility mutual funds, and then Last year, I had him going to I bonds. I bonds are bonds that you can get from the government where they'll go the interest rate they pay goes up and down with inflation. So my father was able to get himself was able to get himself like 8% interest on some I bonds. But the I bonds, you can only put like 10 grand into them. You can't put a lot of money into an I bond. But whatever, it's free money. Okay. And then now my father's doing that bond strategy where he's like, we'll ladder them out. It's free money, right? I mean, it didn't make sense to do this years ago because the T-bill was paying you 0.8% interest annualized. It makes no sense whatsoever to put your money there. But now you can get 4.5 to 5% interest on your money over the course of a year. 4.5 to 5% for someone that's retired is fantastic with zero risk. So I actually said in my 2023 report, one of my top ideas, if you are retired, if you are about to retire, and you don't want the risk of, oh, what if we have this big recession, the stock market's going to go lower? Like, screw all that. Go get some of these T-bills, go get a bond, and get 4.5 to 5% interest with zero risk. You haven't had interest rates this high in 15 years. Take advantage of it. We got to welcome Dennis. Dennis is the newest member of the group. Everybody welcome Dennis. Welcome Dennis to the trial membership. Again, guys, ttg3.com. You guys want to join our trial? How many trades can you do per day? Ronald, I can do as many trades per day as I want. For me, a slow day is like 1 trade. A regular day is probably 2 to 3. And a busy day for me is probably 4 to 5 trades for me personally. But I don't know if you're asking like me specifically, you're asking how many trades can you do a day? I'm not sure, but that's me at least. And yeah, you guys, you can go right to Treasury Direct. You can literally buy like the T-bills or bonds. Just go to Treasury Direct. I think it's treasurydirect.gov, and you can buy direct from the U.S. Treasury. You can also do it through like Fidelity and some of these other brokerage places, but you can go right. You can buy them right. Go to Treasury Direct. I believe it's treasurydirect.gov. I believe is is where you go, and you can buy. You can do it right from there. So it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Like if you wanted to do let's say you wanted to do, again, let's say someone is retired, right? Let's say you wanted to put, 100 grand into something, right? If you did 100 grand, right? If it is an annualized, let's say it's 5%. It's not 5%. It's a little bit less than 5%, but let's just say it's 5% for the ease of the math. So how it works is, let's say you want to do 100 grand. Okay. If you want to do 100 grand, the way that it works is you do 100 grand. And if it is 5%, okay, but it's 5% annualized. So if it's a 3-month T-bill, which means it matures in 3 months. So if it's 5% annualized, then you have to do 5 divided by 4 because it's only 3 months, but it's an annualized rate, right? So the interest rate is 1.25% every 3 months. Okay. So the way that it works is the bond is sold to you at a discount. So that interest rate is also a discount rate. So it's sold to you at a discount. So if you wanted to put $100,000 in, it would actually only cost you $98,750. So it would cost you $98,750, and in 3 months, the government gives you the full amount back of the $100,000. And then you would just do that for every 3 months. And that's how you'd end up getting 5% interest on your money over the course of the year. So you would end up making $5,000 on the $100,000 without having any risk. The risk is the U.S. government's not going to pay its debt. I don't think so. That's how it works. It's free money. Take advantage of the interest rates. This is what I told my father. I go, Dad, you haven't had a 4.5 rate on a T-bill, a 5% rate on a T-bill since 2007. And I think they're going to go higher. I don't think they're done going higher. The Fed's not done raising rates. Yields will go a little bit higher. You'll probably get a higher rate on your next bill. So like the 3 months it matures, it'll probably be a higher rate on the next one. And then maybe rates start to chill out and maybe rates start to come down. Those are my thoughts. Throwing it out there. Anybody else? Any other questions? It's getting late. It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna wrap things up. I'll take one more question, guys. I don't like the I bond now, guys. I don't like the I bond now because inflation's going down. The I bonds are good because the I bond that interest rate adjusts. I think it's every 60 days. I'm not sure. I think it's every 60 days. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. It might be every 60 days, but I don't remember exactly what the time frame is. But I bond interest rates adjust based on inflation. Oh, it's 6 months. Okay, 6 months. Okay, thank you. Not 60 days. I knew there was a 6 in there. So 6 months. So the interest rate is going to change. So 6 months from now, obviously inflation is going to be way lower than it is now. So your interest rate is going to be way lower. The I bonds are good when you think inflation is going to go up, not when you think inflation is going to go down. So just something else I'm throwing out there. That's what I'm saying. Like 6 months from now, do you think inflation is going to, do you think CPI is, do you think inflation is going to be 5%? It's going to be 6.5 on Thursday, right? It's going to be 6.5 on Thursday. 6 months from now, you think it's going to be above the rate of a T-bill? Alleged crimes. Is the $3 for 10 days a valid offer? I'm not sure what you mean by is it a valid offer. It's 7 trading days. So the weekend and the holiday on Monday won't count against your 7 days. You just have to go to TTG.com. It's our trial, alleged crimes. Yeah. Is it a valid offer? It comes up on my phone. Yeah. It's our trial. It's a trial membership. So what we're doing here tonight, guys, is anyone that joins the trial, we're going to give away a free membership, a free annual membership. We're going to give one away tomorrow. Anyone that joins the trial tonight will have a chance at the free membership tomorrow. But even if you don't win the free membership, you'll be able to trade with us for 7 full days. And we'll give you guys, a big, take it or leave it kind of one-time huge discount if you do want to join an annual membership. If you don't win the free one, since we are not able to offer an annual membership tonight, we're making changes to our annual membership and our checkout process, and we couldn't get it ready and working properly before the live stream. So we're not offering them memberships tonight, and that's why we're doing it this way. All right, guys. Listen, that wraps things up. It's getting late. It's after 10 o'clock. I really appreciate you guys for being here with me tonight on the live stream. You guys asked some phenomenal questions. We should maybe do this more often. I love when you guys ask me questions like this. I'm always happy to share my experience and the education that I have and that I've received and the people that have helped me. And remember, I've had a lot of people that answered all my questions throughout my career, so I'm happy to answer yours. Thanks for participating tonight, guys. If you haven't done so already, we got to welcome Bashir. Welcome to the trial. If you guys haven't done so already, go to TTG.com. Join our trial. It's $3. It's a one-time payment. There's no automatic renewal. There's no automatic payment. It's just one-time payment of $3. You have a chance at a free membership tomorrow. If you guys haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and turn on your notifications. And I'll see all of you and all of our new trial members and all of my current members. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. We've been green every day so far in 2023. We have had, 6 trading days so far in 2023. We've been green all 6 of them, folks. Let's keep that streak alive. Thanks for joining me tonight, folks. I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Get your butts in chat. I'll see you guys in the AM for the pre-market breakdown as always. Have a great night.